Okay, everybody, here are tips and hints for review number 7. This is the third time I'm doing this. I keep making silly mistakes. So here we go. Third time's a charm. Number 1, you have 2d minus 5. Remember, when you have an algebraic expression, when you need to evaluate it, you replace the variable, the d, with the assigned value. In this case, it's 12. The tricky part here is remembering when you have the 2 and the 12 next to each other like that, that means to multiply. Sometimes that can be tricky. Number 2, order of operations. Again, remember, parentheses first, so 6 plus 4 first. And then remember, it's tricky again. You have to remember 5 with the 10 in parentheses means to multiply. Number 3, you're writing an expression and you're taking 3 away from j. So what should go first, the 3 or the j? Number 4 is a two-step expression. 4 less means to subtract 4, and twice a number means to multiply by 2. So remember, what should go first? Remember, you have to subtract 4 away from something. So something has to go before the subtract 4. Number 5, use the distributive property. Take that 4, distribute it to both terms inside the parenthesis, the 2 and the 8n. Okay, we're heading over to the back now. We're looking at number 6. When you are factoring, you need to first find the GCF, in this case of 36 and 12 of those two coefficients, and then factor or divide that GCF out of each one and rewrite your equivalent expression. Number 7, difference means to subtract. Order matters. The 5 goes first. Remember to add a decimal and annex your zeros for that whole number. And then remember, back in September we learned another way to set up that subtraction if you don't like to borrow. So both ways work, so you can do it either way. Number 8, you are ordering rational numbers. Take care of those negatives first. Negatives are smaller than positives. Tricky part is remembering which one is furthest from 0, the negative 9 or the negative 8.5. Use a number line to help you. Number 9, sum means to add. Half a number means to multiply by a half or divide by 2. And remember, 1/2 is equivalent to 5/10. And then for number 10, use the distributive property to write an equivalent expression. Good luck. If you have any questions, just contact me via Google Classroom. Thanks, everybody.